So, as you can see, you can sign in na po yung nakalagay. Ibig sabihin nun, pwede na nating i-sign in or complete na yung ating invite. So, click lang natin tong sign in early at makikita natin kung meron pa po bang kasunod after nun. So, ayan. Okay na po yung ating 3,000. Withdraw money na siya. Ibig sabihin, pwede na natin siyang i-withdraw. So, after nung last one sign in is lumitaw na yung withdraw money. So, lagay lang natin sa GCash. May mga option naman po, kayo na pong bahala kung saan nyo gustong i-withdraw. So, withdraw, happy to accept. Withdrawing po yung ating status. Bale, yung pong akin is 15 days. After 15 days, 10 days, 5 days, and last po yan. 1 day pero 175 na invites. So, check natin kung ano na nga po ba yung status ng ating withdraw. Click lang natin yan. So, as you can see, withdrawing pa rin siya. So, hintayin lang natin siyang pumasok sa ating GCash. Check natin siya. So, ayan, lumitaw na. Successful withdrawal, February 23, 2025. At ayan na po yung ating confirmation galing sa GCash.